Hello my dear friends, in this English lesson we are going to understand the meaning and the use of the word worth. Okay, and it is commonly seen that it is used as an adjective, and let's understand with some examples. Although this book is worth rupees 1000, this book is worth buying. It means although the price of this book is 1000, means it's costly, yet we should buy the book. Means if we buy this book, the benefits we'll get from the book would be more important than the rupees 1000. Okay, so this book is worth buying means one should buy this book. It would be useful to buy this book. Okay, and we can express the same idea with another sentence, and that is, it is worth buying this book. Although the book is worth rupees 1000, it is worth buying this book. Okay, it is worth buying this book can be written as this book is worth buying. Here buying is the verb and this book is the object. We can write the book object at the beginning of the sentence and the verb at the end. The book is worth buying, or we can put verb and the object together at the end, as in it is worth buying this book. Okay, and we can also put the verb and the object together at the beginning of the sentence, as in buying this book is worth it. Here don't forget to use the word it after the word worth. Okay, buying this book is worth it. Another example, I think it's not worth it. I think it's not worth it means it's not worth buying the book. Here it after the worth refers to some action, and which is buying of the book. We can also use worth as a noun, as in we should know our worth, we should know our value. So here worth can also be used as a noun. You can see the example, the last one. Okay, here worth can be replaced with value. So here worth is noun. On the other hand, worth in other sentences, other example sentences, is an adjective. And if you think the video was of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.